Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X6 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. The soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly, it does not respond to your touches and you cannot do anything. You can try to force restart it just by pressing the power button, which is located right here on the right side. Just press it and wait until you'll see the black screen and the developer's logo, so it will take approximately like 8 to 10 seconds. So let me try to do it. Let me press this button. Alright. Okay, as you can see, we've got this reboot option here, but let's pretend that we cannot tap on it. So keep pressing the power button. We've got the black screen, which is really good. We've got the developer's logo. I felt the vibration also, so we can release the finger. And right now your device will be simply restarted. You have to wait, and after that it should work perfectly fine again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.